In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics for keyword research. Whether you're new to digital marketing or a seasoned veteran, understanding how to effectively use Google Analytics can really sharpen your keyword strategy. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Analytics tools and solutions for your business page on Google Analytics. This gives you a broad range of insights and tools designed to enhance your understanding of how your audience interacts with your website. If you haven't navigated this platform before, you'll find it incredibly useful not only for keyword research, but also for gathering valuable data about site performance and user behavior. Once you are on the Google Analytics site, you'll need to log in. Click the Sign into Analytics button. If you already have a Google account, use your existing credentials to sign in. If not, you'll need to create one. Logging in allows you access to the dashboard where all your analytics data is housed. After logging in, click on Google Analytics Home. This homepage is your central hub for all your analytics needs. It's configured to show you a snapshot of your website's performance, visitors, page views, and more. It's from here that you'll delve into more detailed information and where you can start crafting your keyword strategy. Next, let's navigate to the settings area. Click on Settings. In this section, you can customize and configure how you want your account to operate, manage data sharing options, and more. Familiarizing yourself with these settings can greatly enhance your experience with Google Analytics, enabling you to tailor reports and data to better suit your goals. Now that you're in the settings section, you'll want to find product links. Click on this option. This area is important because linking products like Google Ads or Search Console with your Google Analytics account allows you to have a more integrated view of your data, enhancing your insights across platforms. Finally, you'll want to click on Search Console links. Doing this integrates Google Analytics with Search Console, a powerful tool that gives you deeper insights into your website's visibility on Google search results. By linking these platforms, you'll be able to discover the keywords that are driving traffic to your website and their search performance. This is invaluable for identifying strategies to optimize your site and improve search rankings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to utilize Google Analytics for effective keyword research, helping you to improve your website's search performance and understand your audience better. It takes a bit of time to get used to, but once you're comfortable with navigating around, the data you gain can really transform your approach to SEO. Enjoy exploring the insights and happy analyzing.